Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, I'm going to take you through Euro US dollar as the ECB have hiked interest rates by 75 basis points this afternoon, and they're talking about even further hikes to come. So really interesting out of the ECB, starting to now try and fight the rise in inflation rate and really trying to get a hold of it after we saw inflation rise to 9.1% in the Eurozone, and it was a forecasted event, so we were expecting a 75 basis points hike. I think we were almost expecting the ECB to disappoint, however they didn't, and they have talked about more hikes to come. But you can see what happened. We basically spiked up towards the monthly value area low, which was that 1.030 area, and prices then took a downward turn, and we're currently resting around about the 930s. Now that momentum could continue to the downside. We do have Jerome Powell speaking soon, who could reiterate the Federal Reserve's stance on hiking rates aggressively. If he does, I expect the dollar to continue to strengthen, and euro could hit the lows again around about this 98.78. So I just want to point out some key levels that you could be looking for, and I'm going to give both scenarios because obviously the price could trade to the upside depending on what Powell says. Now, I don't think you should be looking for long euro unless we start trading above these highs here around the 1.0100 level. Reason being is because at the moment we're trading outside of monthly value. We're rejecting that. So bias really should be that price could continue to push to the downside. Obviously, fundamentally, things can be different. You know, like I said, if the Fed come out and they ease up on their talks of hiking as aggressively, maybe the euro against the dollar could start to break back to the upside. And I think if we did get a break above the 1.0100, I'd be looking to trade up to the next monthly value area high, or these highs in here. However, don't think that's particularly going to happen right now. And if the Federal Reserve Chairman comes out and bigs up the dollar and bigs up the Federal Reserve on hiking rates more aggressively, we could trade below the 0.99 area. If you get a retest of that, the next level of support comes all the way down at the 9600 level. Now, I've got that support level by going to the weekly chart, zooming right out, and looking at these 2002 lows through here. Okay, so the actual 2002 lows down at 85.74, but we do have some other lows here between sort of August and September lows of 2002 of 9600. So that could be the next stop for Euro US dollar if price continues to push to the downside as expected. We did get some monthly support level coming in. Price did start to react around here, but it doesn't look like that's going to be sustained. I don't really see much upside unless something fundamentally changes over the next couple of days. But does it mean you can't look for longs? But I would be very cautious about getting long. I think any kind of push up now, maybe even another test of the monthly value area low, could see sellers jump back into the market again. So that's Euro US dollar. That's the key levels to keep in mind after the recent ECB announcement. I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.